Transform your Ubuntu laptop into a presentation powerhouse with these easy steps to create stunning animations. First, let's launch LibreOffice Impress. Open your Applications menu and search for Impress. Then, select Create Presentation or choose a template to start with. I'm going with a blank presentation. Now, let's create the initial slide. Choose your slide layout and insert a title, subtitle, and content boxes by clicking on a layout. Time to add content. Start by typing your title and then add some supporting bullet points explaining it. Next, we'll make things more engaging. Select the second slide and then go up to the Transitions tab or section. Choose a transition effect from the available options. Play with the speed and duration of the transition. Let's animate individual elements. Select an element, like your title or an image, and click Animations. Choose an entrance animation from the presets by clicking on a specific effect type or customizing it further within each option. Finally, preview your hard work. Run the slideshow from the beginning to see how everything looks. You can still make final adjustments until you love it. Congratulations, you've created an animated presentation on Ubuntu.